Today I'll be doing this matte look, and I'm starting off with moisturizing my lips, then moving on to toning my face, and then my serum. I will link everything below soon. And then my Neutrogena Hydra Boost serum. After moisturize my face with the Neutrogena Hydra Boost gel, I'm going ahead to apply my eye cream. From apply my eye cream, I then use this pore mattifying SPF 45 cream by Murad. From there, I'm using my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and then moving on to my Makeup Forever Velvet Matte Foundation. This is from their new collection, and I absolutely love it. Now that that's done, I'm moving on to using my Born This Way concealer. Just using it to highlight everywhere that needs to be highlighted. Moving on to contouring, and I'm contouring with my Dior Forever Glow foundation. I contour with either this foundation, which is a neutral tone, or a warm tone foundation. You want to make sure you properly blend every step before adding on more product. Now I'm moving on to my blush, and the blush I'm using today is from the Sephora blush palette. Again, as usual, making sure that I blend that in really well before the next step. Now I'm going in with my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix powder. I'm going with it all over the face to make sure I bring everything together, even though I have dimension in the face, but I want to bring everything together. Now I'm going on to my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Powder. I am using that to set under my eye. You always want to make sure you use your beauty blender or your brush to go in and really blend that concealer in before going in with the powder to set the concealer. This does help to avoid under eye creasing. So I'm just setting everywhere that I have the concealer. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever matte powder. I'm going to use this to bake as well as cash fallouts from doing my eye makeup. Now I'm going back into contour. Sometimes I love contouring on powder. It just helps to give a more defined contour. I'm just using the same powder to kind of set the contour. Now I am going in with my Laura Mercier powder closer to my skin tone, and I am just reverse contouring with this powder. You can always use the same powder you use under your eyes. Sometimes I just like to use a powder that's darker. So I'm just sweeping off that powder, making sure, and I'm using circular motions here, and I'm using this brush because it gives room for a faster and easy blend. Right now I'm just sweeping off more of that powder, and then I'm going in with my beauty blender to finish setting my under eye. I'm just pressing all that powder in. Now I'm just going on with my Mocha Mummy bronzer to bronze everywhere that we contoured. I'm doing the same thing for my eye makeup and my nose contour. I'm just going ahead to blush now with my Juvia's Place blush. I went a little heavy, but I love blush, so we're gonna make it work. I'm going with my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. Just using some of that highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes and on my nose, my upper lips. And then I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus to set everything and bring it all together. I'm going back to my Kat Von D palette to finish setting that under eye. This really helps to lock that under eye in and add to the brightness and smoothness. Also helps to give you that blurred view of the under eye. I'm going on my One Size finishing spray. And that's it for this matte look, guys. If you love it, please leave me a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.